Hi, I'm Gary Jones from Web Services, and I want to show you how to use two web cameras with Zoom so that you can show two different angles of something you're trying to present. Now, everybody's been using Zoom lately for web conferences with a single webcam, but you can connect two web cameras to it, so one can be on your face and the other can be pointed towards something that you're working on or trying to demonstrate. And I'll show you today how you can use this two camera setup to either switch back and forth between the cameras or have both cameras on at the same time, with one at your face while you explain something and the other pointed towards something while you demonstrate a technique. So the first thing you'll need to do is get two webcams and plug them into the USB ports on either your PC or your Mac. And then once you do that, go into Zoom and open up a meeting, and then at the bottom of the screen where it says Start and Stop Video, if you click the up arrow, you'll see both of your cameras registered. The one that's on right now is the one that's facing me right in front of me, and the other one is off to my side, so if I could switch to it, I can switch to a different angle. And so now I've switched to the other camera in my office for a different angle, a different look. So now you can switch back and forth between them as you see fit. Now let's look at how to do it simultaneously. So now to set up both cameras so you can share them simultaneously, you'll need to go into Share Screen, and under the Advanced tab, click Content from Second Camera, then click Share. Now you can see both cameras on your screen. So now that you've told Zoom to connect to a second camera and hit Share, you'll get this large screen, which is your main screen, and also the second camera in the other window. So now you can talk to the people that you're trying to have a conversation with in the main window and show them something else in the other window, or vice versa. But you can also take this second window and resize it so that it's more easy to see. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at Web Services. I'm Gary Jones. Give us a call or email us anytime and we'll be glad to help you set things up.